G'day from Air Tools WA. Ask us anything about air. This time we're looking at the AKKO AW1063 3/8 inch air impact wrench. The AKKO AW1063 features a lightweight composite body with an ergonomic hand grip. It's a very compact size and has easy change forward, reverse and torque settings located at the back. It has an exhaust conveniently located at the base of the handle and features a twin clutch mechanism that cranks out 320 foot-pound of torque. As you can see in this demonstration, the AKKO AW1063 3/8 air impact wrench is an impressive tool, perfect for construction or DIY projects, machinery and vehicle repairs, or even light industrial duty. AKKO, dollar for dollar, unbeatable. For more information, please visit our website at airtoolswa.com.au. And as always, thanks for watching.